Well, hello again. Who would have thought? 3 out of 3, 3 days and 3 charts, or 3 predictions, should I say. But, anyways, I just wanted to do a quick review of what's going on today with BTC. And if you watched my video yesterday, I was expecting a bounce from 62 all the way up to, as I said this morning or recently, that this is a good take profit. And as you guys saw, we actually end up at 66. That was the highest so far of the day. And I'm gonna tell you why I think it stopped there and why I think it is about to um, go down again. So I am looking to short as the candle closes today. I'll see if I can get a good entry or if I should hold for now and not do anything. Great part of trading is discipline, and one of the disciplines that you should have is get your targets, get to it, take profits, get out, wait, and make a decision again based on price movement. So as of today, I got two possible reasons why we bounced today, and this is one. Is the RSI on the daily hit the lower 30. As we can see, the last two times we bounced out of the same RSI, but this is the tricky thing. We had a previous that went below the RSI. As I said before, I don't trade when it's below, so this gives me the opportunity to think about what's gonna happen, and I think it will bounce back just because, let me delete this, the EMA and the MA are about to take a little cross, and it's probably going to touch this as the daily closes and then bounce back, and we might go oversold. I am not sure yet, but this is one of the causes that I am thinking because of the bounce. But this is not as important as my weekly chart, and I can tell you what I'm looking at the RSI and the weekly chart. As you can see, it is reacting to this MA and the RSI. That is the probably why it stopped there and it bounced back, taking the price back a little bit. But as the weekly closes, I am assuming it will end up breaking down. But for that to happen, we must continue going down on the daily, and this cool off on the RSI gives us the perfect opportunity to short it again, and I am thinking to do that as soon as the candle closes. Again, I am just waiting now. I took my profits 65.90, I think it was. I didn't I was hoping to go a little bit higher than 66. It didn't, so I think for me it was time to take profits and get out of the market. But it was so far a good short, a good long, and now let's see if we can short it again. And the monthly again, I don't know if I have a chart for the monthly. Yes, I do. As you can see, we almost got to the MA21, and I do believe we will end up hitting and breaking the MA21. At this point, the RSI is just trying to hold its last support, which it's almost even with the last drop to 59 or 57, and this would be a very interesting play if we end up getting that. For this, I also am looking at the Ichi cloud, which gives me a bearish. It's breaking down, and I think it's a very probable entry. I'm not sure yet, but I am looking to short it soon. And if we are looking at possible taps, this is my possible tap, maybe a MA8 test or retest, because we tested once and this will be our second test, so that's a retest for us. And if we are looking at the weekly, we also see that we might end up retesting the MA8 because we just broke down out of it. And again, my targets is still holding on the 41 range, and my lower target still on the same range as before. I think one of my forex orders just failed, and nope. Anyways, sorry for the distraction. I'm trading these two forex. This was a beautiful short in the morning. I have a nice short on this, just to brag a little bit about my trades. Where is this? I don't see it. Oh, here it is. So as you can see, I was shorting at this point. We never got there. Got a good entry, and we're going down. My take profit still at 1.1. Oh, why is it not doing? Okay, my take profit still, if you do forex, still at 1.1. So anyways, that's all I have for you today. I know I made it longer than it should have been, but hey, happy trading, and I'll see you soon.